Happy Sunday, folks. I hope you're enjoying a nice cup of coffee. Hit that like and subscribe button if you would. Hey, today we're just going to go continuing with the worky, talky. So you get to listen to my wonderful voice one more time. Today we're blocking it down. So we had done the last episode when we were talking about this process. We were working on the high build. We were using a series of papers that get the surface level and straight and curvy and on plane. This is just a continuation of it, and we're prepping for paint. This one, I'm using guide coat and some 220 and a long block. So I'll be using two different blocks on this one. I always try to use the longest, stiffest block I can on the panel and still make good contact. And here you see me switch up to a little more flexible pad. Just catching around those edges. As someone said in the last set of comments, it's like a sanding bowling ball. Let's get another guide coat. We're going to swap up to 320. You can see that I switched up to a DROOL block for this one. The reason is it has a little bit more give, and we're not actually doing the shaping at this point. What we're actually doing is we're just cleaning up the scratches from 220. Also at this point, it's okay to start going through your thin layer of primer when you start to get into the high build underneath it. We're just trying to take off as much of this material as possible and still maintain nice, straight, and shiny. Remember, folks, shiny is scratches you just can't see. The main body roughed out in 320. You'll see me go back in and do a little bit of filler up on the wheel well. Well, this is not necessary. When metal gets bent over in the factory, it's just never quite straight. Here you see me mixing it up a little bit. You don't need very much filler, and you're going to remove as much as possible anyway. I've let the filler go ahead and cure. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Take a little bit of 220 on a fairly stiff, flexible block. I'm just trying to get the curves curvier, if that makes any sense. Another trick I like to do is going ahead and just kind of folding the paper over the edges, and what it has to do is it helps round it down a little bit. It makes it feel a little bit more natural. Here we're switching up to a 400, once again on a DROOL block. While we use other brands besides DROOL block, including some custom-made stuff, which will show probably the polishing. DROOL block seems to be an industry standard, and just about everybody has those if they're in the paint body. I just wanted to show you how to do it with the DROOL blocks. Once again, flipping over there. So the next point is going to be going over the entire thing with a flexible block. And this is just to help smooth it down a little bit. Make sure you didn't miss any scratches. And next we're going to be taking a Scotch Brite pad, which will take it to about 600 grit finish, which is perfect for paint. Some guys like to go up to 600, 800. I've seen some guys do 1,000. To me, I don't find it all that necessary. Quick blowdown, so you just don't dust everything up. Now we're going to be doing some degreaser. Go ahead and put some gloves on, square the greaser on there. It'll give you a shiny sheen, and you can actually kind of see if your panels are straight and shiny or not. Also, you'll feel it in your hands ultimately as part of the process. So we're going to go ahead and blow that off to go, and we're done, ready to go. Thanks for joining us, folks. Out.